Hello everyone, so today we are going to present our sociolinguistics project, which is about language attitudes. What is attitudes in sociolinguistics? An individual's subjective assessment or view of a specific language, dialect, or speech group is referred to as attitude in sociolinguistics. Researchers in sociolinguistics frequently utilize techniques including surveys, interviews, and language usage observation to look at people's attitudes toward language. Understanding linguistic attitudes is crucial for encouraging linguistic diversity and acceptance, as well as understanding how language is used and valued in various societies. The importance of attitudes. Attitudes play a crucial role in sociolinguistics as they can significantly influence language behavior and usage in social contexts. Attitudes refer to the feelings, beliefs, and values that people have towards different languages, dialects, accents, and speakers of those languages. Attitudes can affect the way people perceive, interpret, and respond to language use in various social situations. Attitudes can also influence language variation and change. Speakers may modify their language use in response to the attitudes of the people around them. Attitudes toward language can be shaped by various social factors such as age, gender, ethnicity, social class, and geographical region. Attitudes are essential in sociolinguistics as they play a critical role in shaping language behavior and usage in social contexts. Types of attitudes. So here we have the first type, positive attitudes. These are positive attitudes toward a particular language, a dialect or speech community that is perceived as a prestigious or high status. Stigmatized attitudes. These are negative attitudes toward a particular language, dialect or speech community that is stigmatized or low status. Linguistic chauvinism. This is an attitude where an individual holds their language or dialect to be superior to others. It is often associated with a sense of national or cultural pride but can lead to negative attitudes towards other languages and dialects. Linguistic relativism. This is an attitude where an individual values linguistic diversity and recognizes that no language or dialect is inherently superior or inferior to others. Multilingualism. This is an attitude where an individual values and promotes the use of multiple languages in a community. This attitude can lead to positive attitudes toward linguistic diversity and willingness to learn and use multiple languages. The difference between language attitudes and language learning. We start by language attitudes. Language attitudes refer to the feelings, opinions, and beliefs that people have about different languages, dialects, and accents. Language attitudes can have a significant impact on social interactions as well as on individual identity and self-esteem. Language attitudes can also influence language policies and planning, as well as language education. For example, if a particular dialect or language is perceived as inferior as are less useful than another, it may be excluded from educational or governmental settings, which can limit the opportunities of speakers of that language. Language learning. Language learning is the process of acquiring the ability to communicate in a new language, whether it is for personal, academic, or professional reasons. Learning a new language requires a combination of knowledge of grammar and vocabulary, as well as practice in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. One important aspect of language learning is motivation. Staying motivated to learn a new language can be challenging, especially if progress is slow or if the language is particularly difficult. Overall, attitudes are essential in sociolinguistics as they play a critical role in shaping language behavior and usage in social contexts, as well as in reflecting the social dynamics of different communities. So, thank you for watching. See you next time with another video.